since it is x equals to minus 1 is here, okay, we have to substitute. So I will use some trick over here. Now this fx can be written as f of x is equals to 1 plus x into gx. Why? Because we need to substitute the value of x equals to what? Minus 1, and what we have is what? 1 plus x. Therefore, I will consider whole this term, okay? Where gx equals to where? Gx equals to whole this 1 plus x square, 1 plus x4, 1 plus x6, okay? Why I am considering this? Because we need to substitute x equals to minus 1 over here, okay? Now, therefore, let's find out f dash x, differentiation of this with respect to x. Now, you individual here, okay? Differentiate this is 1, gx, and then plus 1 plus x into g dash x, okay? Now, again, differentiate f double dash x, because we need f double dash here, okay? Now here is what? G dash x plus, here again u individual over here. Here 1 plus x keeping as it is, differentiating this g double dash x plus g dash x, and dy dx of this is what? As it is, okay? Now what is f dash minus 1, okay? F dash minus 1 here is what? Okay, we need to substitute here x dash. When I substitute x equals to minus 1 over here, this term become a 0, okay? Now this term becomes 0. We don't need to find g dash x over here, okay? Therefore we need to substitute, instead of in gx, we need to substitute x equals to minus 1 over here, okay? Here if I substitute x equals to minus 1 here, here I will get 1 plus 1, okay? Here 1 2 2 2, okay? Because all even powers, all are will become positive. 2 plus 2 plus 8, okay? This become 8. 2 2 2, okay? Now we have f dash minus 1, okay? Now what about f double dash minus 1, okay? When I substitute f double dash minus 1, what I get is, now this term become a this term will become a 0, because when x equals to minus 1, this becomes 0. So we need to find what? G dash, okay? Here g dash x, okay? With g dash, in that g dash x, we need to substitute x equals to minus 1, okay? Therefore this is same as, I can write this is same as g dash minus 1 plus g dash minus 1, means twice g dash minus 1, okay? 2 times g dash 1. So let's find g dash, okay? We have this g, okay? Gx. Now g dash x is what? Now this, let's differentiate this, okay? Let's differentiate this means what? Twice x, keeping all same, 1 plus x4, or you can directly substitute this, okay? But I will, for timing, I will write here x6. Now this differentiation over plus, and if I'm going to differentiate this, okay? Here 1 plus x square, here 4x cube into 1 plus x6 plus 1 plus x square, 1 plus x4, here 6x5, okay? This is what? My g dash x, okay? Therefore g dash minus 1 equals to what? Okay? Here when I substitute minus 1, minus 2, minus 48. Now we have g dash minus 1 equals to minus 48. Therefore this is 2 into minus 48 is equals to, here we have this, okay?